Mr. Perez,
Dime, tell me.
I'm really full.
Why?
Well, all that
Okay.
pasta we were eating about 15 minutes ago.
I remember.
I think I need to weigh myself on a scale.
You know what I'm doing? ¿Sabes lo que estoy haciendo? The test again for Unit 4. We didn't finish yesterday.
Yeah, that's right. We're finishing our review.
I'm in the middle. Estoy por la mitad, más o menos.
Good work. Keep
Pues-
working on that. But hold on, Mr. Perez.
Okay.
Speaking of the scale, that reminds
Scale?
me.
Oh, yes.
That
Scale.
reminds-
Scale. Eso es escalar, like climb.
Climb the scale?
¿Qué es scale? ¿Qué era? No me acuerdo.
Well, I was thinking of the scale to measure weight.
Oh, yes.
But,
I need a problem with the scale for the exam.
good. But don't worry about the bathroom scale for our exam. We need to understand a map scale.
Okay. Pues, ¿puedes recordar eso? Can you remind me that?
Yeah, if I remember right. Oh, yeah. For instance, if I'm looking at this world map, I'm going to key in right away at the scale. This type of scale.
Ah, yes. Sí, ya recuerdo.
So,
Una pulgada representa 410 millas. Sí, me acuerdo de esto. Me acuerdo.
1 inch represents 410 miles.
Ajá. And we also have centimeter. We can use both measure. Un centímetro, 260 kilómetros. Ajá. Claro, ya recuerdo lo que era la escala. Pero dame un ejemplo. Give me an example, please.
So I'm just thinking of your country again. You told me, Mr. Perez, that people from Africa
Ajá.
swim to Spain.
They use small boats because they want to be in Spain, they want to be in Europe because they need to work. So they try to cross this small part of water. And,
So, according to my scale, it looks to be about, I don't know, like around 200 miles?
Can they use
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, that's-
No, 200 miles? No, they cannot swim that. They cannot with a boat rowing. No, it's
My
sad.
estimate is off.
Es triste, pero I can see like 1 millimeter, maybe 1 millimeter.
Ah,
okay, 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter. So 1 centimeter is 260 kilometers. So they have to cross like 2 kilometers, something like that.
Okay.
A little bit more, because this is not accuracy. We have
All
very
right.
small distances with this. But you're right. It's not 1 millimeter they have to cross. They have to cross longer distance.
Yeah, it looks like, in the map, it looks like I could just walk across to Spain.
No.
But I know that from my concept of scale, that's not the way it
No
works.
no pueden caminar.
Okay.
Van in a small boat rowing. It's sad. They want to cross to Spain.
Well, that reminds me, we should get back to our test.
Sí, voy a poner un ejercicio de escala, ¿vale? Voy a poner scale exercise with a map.
So we talked about scale. Oh. I also remember this very famous
Sí,
box.
me acuerdo. That was in the very beginning, right, of the unit?
Yeah.
Eso fue al principio, ¿no? Eso era una machine? You know machine?
I believe there was a Spanish machine
Ah,
involved.
yes, with a different way, with the Spanish
Crazy
machine.
ways that came out. But, you know,
Yes, let's assess them with this kind of machine.
let's put an in and out in there.
Okay.
That's a good idea.
I'm going to work on that, okay?
Okay, good idea. I'm going to put an 8. I'm going to put in a 2.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to put in a 4 in the in part. Now watch this, Mr. Perez.
Uh-huh.
Out comes a 64.
64.
Unbelievable. Watch
Are
this.
you adding? Is an addition or multiplication?
2.
Give me more clues. Give me...
16.
Oh, I know, Mr. Byrne. Yo aprendí la lección. I have learned the lesson. I know what you are doing. Your machine. Give me another example. Wow.
Huh? What's my rule, Mr. Perez?
Oh, your rule is multiply by 8.
Let's
Mhm.
see.
Yo comprendí muy bien esta máquina.
Multiply by 8.
Mhm.
Nice pattern. Let's see if that works. 8 times 8 is 64. That works for the first one. 2 times 8 is 16.
I have it.
I need more evidence.
One more.
4 times 8 is 32.
Vale, tengo una idea. ¿Y si le damos, por ejemplo, a nuestros alumnos el out? ¿Piensas que ellos podrán, they can guess the in? If we give like 40, do you think they can guess what is in?
All right. I think we
Let's
have.
see.
We'll put that in the test.
Don't give more clues.
No more clues. Let's have that for the test. Good idea. All right, in and out. Bet we'll trick some kids on that one. Okay. Whoa.
Oh, Mr. Bird, you know what we need?
What?
The last thing, la última cosa que estuvimos aprendiendo. Open sentences.
Of course, variables.
Variables, yes? Las frases abiertas.
Variables and open sentences.
¿Te acuerdas del memory game?
I remember.
You remember memory game?
I do.
We have to do something like that. But
Let's see, what can I make up here? 4 plus X.
oh, X.
X is great.
X. X games.
X games, X files.
X rays.
Yeah. Plus,
Uh-oh. Wow, that's difficult.
How do we
I
solve
guess, using my mind, my Spanish mind,
Mhm.
I guess it's 5.
You think X is equal to 5?
Let's put the variable on the
Plug it
equation.
in.
Yes, do it.
Okay, you think that's correct.
Okay.
You think X is 5 plus.
6.
I hope both of our equation sides are equal.
Do you know what I do? I group numbers, familiar numbers to me, when I do an addition. So I know that 6 and 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So
Wow, good
Yes.
technique, good technique. 6 plus 4, you're right. That's a nice easy
10.
group.
yes, and then
Plus
5
5.
is 15. I
Okay.
usually do that.
Good strategy, Mr. Perez.
Thank you. I have to do something good. Well, you know, everything is not bad.
That's
My
true.
mind.
You have some good skills sometimes. All
Vale.
right, 15
Vale.
equals 15. Open sentences.
Open sentences.
Solving for a variable. We probably
Variables.
should put some subtraction open sentences, maybe some
Multiplication.
multiplication open sentences.
Division maybe. Let's
Maybe
see.
if we really want to fool them, we'll put
Our
division.
students need practice in this.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Maybe one more.
I'm going to
concept?
write about that, okay?
Okay.
Right. Oh,
What?
remember, I think we are forgetting something. Estamos olvidando.
My coffee?
No, your coffee, Mr. Byrne. You're always with your coffee. Leave your coffee
Don't
here.
tell Maya.
Coffee drinker. Is that a bad word, Mr. Byrne?
Not so bad. What? What are we forgetting?
You remember multiples and factors.
Ah, that concept.
Múltiplos y factores.
Multiples and factors. That's an easy one to
We
get
have to
mixed up on.
guess one. We have to make one exercise about that
Okay.
in our test.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, show me something.
First of all, okay, multiples and factors. Okay, well, this is a kind of a confusing concept for Mr. Barrett and fourth graders. So, if I say multiples of 4,
Múltiplos de 4. ¿Cuáles son?
then I know I have to go through all of them. Multiples, multiples, up, up, up. So I have 4 times 1. This is a multiple of 4.
Okay.
4 times 2, 8 is a multiple of 4. 4 times 3, 12 is a multiple of 4.
How many are there?
Well, I could keep going. Let me do a couple more. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 is a multiple of 4. Now, all of these are multiples of 4, but factors, what do you know about factors, Mr. Perez?
some teacher told me in the past, factors break the numbers.
Exactly. Factors break it down. For instance, factors 6 times 4 is 24. These are the factors of 24. Now, interesting. 8 times 3 are also factors of 24.
Because 8 and 3 break 24.
There's another one, though, we can't forget.
12.
Oh, yeah. 12 times 2 are also factors of 24. And the one that I know the best, 24 times 1.
That's an easy one.
Yeah. All of these, again, are factors.
¿Sabes qué me dijo un alumno hoy? You know what the student told me today?
It's time for recess?
No. Oh, Mr. Brown. Me dijo, multiples are many, factors are few. How do you like me now?
I like you. That's pretty. I'm trying to think about that. That's
Multiples, many, factors, few. That's a memory technique. Multiples, doesn't write
That's,
very well. Okay,
bad.
let me check the other one.
try that one.
Multiples are many. Do you write many?
Yeah.
Factors are few.
Wow.
To remember to differentiate between multiples and factors.
All right. I'll use that technique for the rest of my life.
Now it's time to recess, man.
Okay. Well, fourth graders, we hope this little review helps for the examination that will be happening soon. Maybe
very soon.
Lunes?
Sunday,
Maybe we give it to you on Saturday.
Saturday.
Come to the Halloween Carnival and we'll give you a test.
Yes, sure.
Maybe Monday.
Be ready.
Mr. Burke,
Estar preparados, Mr. Pérez.
see you.